Okay. Let's get it on. 3 REIT stocks to start with $500 to create a huge passive income. Hey y'all, what's happening? I'm Rescue, serial entrepreneur, brand strategist, investor, and a philanthropist. It is my hope that this video helps inspire you to take action now. I'm not here to impress you, but to impress upon you that it is all possible to elevate higher. So let's get right into it. This is your life guide. If you have ever dreamt of owning real estate, or you already invest in traditional real estate, these stocks I will reveal are definitely a must for you to consider, especially their lowest price ever. With only $500, you could become a real estate investor. In this video, I'll help you understand 3 of the top REIT stocks, with 1 additional as a bonus, that are destined to continue to grow, making huge gains in the long run. Be sure to stay tuned till the end of this video, because I have some great information to share with you. No, do not skim through, nor should you skip anything. You ready? Let's get into it. First, let me explain. REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. It is a company that owns, in most cases, operates income-producing real estate. It is an investment in real estate which is managed like a stock portfolio. REITs generate income, and 90%, I repeat, 90% of that taxable income must be distributed to the shareholders on a regular basis. REITs make money from properties they purchase by renting, leasing, or selling them, ranging from offices, apartment buildings, to warehouses, hospitals, shopping centers, hotels, and commercial forests. These are the 3 best REIT stocks to invest in today. Why today? Well, if anything, real estate companies have taken the most beat down during this pandemic, but be rest assured, they will bounce back. So wouldn't it be a great opportunity for you to buy right now while it's low? Because whether you know it or not, things will get back to normal. Even if the normal is the new normal, there will still be shopping, people will still have apartments, people will have office buildings. The point is, these stocks are currently at their lowest value, and so therefore an opportunity for you to get right in and make some money in the long run. The number 1 REIT stock that I will suggest is ESSX Property, ticker symbol ESSX. The companies engage primarily in ownership, operation, management, acquisition, development, and redevelopment of predominantly apartment communities. As of January 2020, the company owned interest in 250 apartment complexes, aggregating over 60,000 apartment units. Going back all the way from 1971, where they first started buying and renting apartments, all the way to 2020. So he's been over 40 years in business. This is a great stock to invest in. Why? Because everybody's going to need apartments. Temporary defeat does not mean permanent. So therefore, even if the stock is down right now, it is a great opportunity for you to buy. And we can see right here that this is some of the states or cities that they have their apartments in: San Francisco, the Bay Area, Los Angeles, Orange County, San Diego, Santa Barbara, Ventura County, and in Washington State, the Seattle metro area. Their price right now is at $224.26, and basically let's check out a whole year's how their stock has been doing. So going back to 2019, the 4th of September, they were at $325. So if we compare $325 to where they are right now to $224, they're pretty much at the lowest. It was way down during when the pandemic started back in March. As we can see, they were at 182. So if you were to buy it at the time, you'd have been gaining right now. But it's still at a good position for you to buy into ESS and win big. Their 52 weeks high have been $334.17 right here, and also the lowest have been $175.81. So EXS is a great buy for you to get into. Anyway, at the end of the day, real estate is a great buy. Either you're involved with it physically or you're investing in the right REIT stocks that can benefit you in the long run. The number 2 REIT company that is on my list is one of my favorites. It's none other than Realty Income, ticker symbol O. Real Estate Income Corporation is a real estate investment trust, an S&P 500 company dedicated to providing stockholders with dependable monthly income. The company and its monthly dividends are supported by the cash flow from over 6,500 real estate properties owned under long-term lease agreements with commercial tenants. Now, to date, the company has paid 600 consecutive common stock monthly dividends throughout its 51-year history. They've increased dividends 107 times since Realty's Income public listing. Take a look at their website. As we can see, their reports of their monthly dividends, strong shareholders return, compound average annual total of 15.3% since 1994, and they're pretty good at their dividends. And the good thing about them is that you actually will earn monthly dividends. And right here, this is their trademark, Realty Income, the monthly dividend company. As you can see on the website, Lifetime Athletics, all their renting is with them. Walgreens, Walmart, Coca-Cola, 7-Eleven, a lot of different companies pretty much this is their landlord. As long as they're in business, they will always make money. So the most important thing is understanding what the company stands for. It's important for you to again do your due diligence. Go to the website, check it out, read, know about the organization, what they stand for, get to know the board of directors. It's important for you to see, okay, well, if this company is the one that is the landlord for Walgreens, Walmart, Coca-Cola, and all of these other bigger companies, then if these companies are not going out of business, then I must as well, contribute I must as well invest in their success. That's how you invest. You stop listening to people, do your due diligence, understand the company, and pretty much just go ahead and invest. Let's look back a year to see how they have performed. As you can see, they were at $76.49 back in September, and that was last year, 2019. And as we can see, back in March, they've been beat down so hard, came down to $42. Basically, it was at $42.50 back in March 17th, and it's been gaining momentum back and currently at $64.37, which is pretty good. It's only gonna go higher from here. So Realty is definitely a good buy at this point, because guess what, companies will always rent from them and will definitely be increasing the value of the stock. The number 3 REIT stock that is on my list is none other than Simon Property Group, ticker symbol SPG. Simon Property Group is a real estate company, the largest real estate investment trust, and the largest shopping mall operator in the US. When I say they're the largest, they are the largest. They're really huge. I mean, the malls. And of course, you can think, as you can imagine right now, they're beat down. They're suffering right now during this pandemic. most of the malls in inner cities or big cities that you've been, they're pretty much huge there. From Atlanta to New Jersey to Vegas to California. I mean, they are all over the place. But should you not think a bit about the fact that they will be out of business? No. As mentioned, they will, things will get back to whether it's a new norm or whatnot. Things will get back, and definitely they are a great company. As long as there are shopping malls or there are brands, they will be doing business with them. As we can see, these are where most or all their malls are at. So as you can see on the screen, they are all over the place. I'm talking about the biggest landlord, so to speak, right? They're the biggest landlord for when it comes to malls operating. They are behind it and making sure they provide space, real estate for all of these malls. So any mall that you have been, they are behind it. And as much as you see traffic in that mall, you should understand that they are making money. So the smartest thing for you to do as an investor or someone with smart mind and smart brains to make your money work for you is to invest in REITs, real estate investment trust, and that is a smart move. So Simon Property, I definitely think that it is a good stock to invest in, and it will only be going up here on. SPG Simon Property has been bid down. It's currently at $68.60 the time that I'm recording this, and let's look back a year of September 2019. They were at $74, okay, and then in March they came all the way down to $49, and now just working their way back up. As you can see on the screen, they're working their way back up and currently at $68. Now again, if you were to invest during March when the crash happened, you would have definitely gained a lot right now. But it's still not too late. Their 52-week high have been $77.70, and their 52 weeks low have been $45.50. So SPG is definitely a good investment to make at this point, because they're the biggest mall landlord. Let's put it like that. The biggest landlord, and you don't have to own physical real estate to be a real estate investor. You definitely can chip your money and let your money work for you, and you could go into any of these malls and be feeling good about how you are one of the owners. It's always a great feeling when I walk into some of these companies, knowing that I am an investor in the company. I believe in the company. Do your research, know about the company, and put your money to work for you and stop working for money. I'm only showing you these so you can again do your due diligence. That's always important. Don't just take my word for it. Do some homework, understand them, be smart with your money, and let your money work for you. Treat that money like a slave. Let it go and work for you, because you deserve it. Oh, need I mention that they're not only just in the US, but they are also international. Okay, they are international. So when I say they're huge, they are huge. Like bigly Donald Trump kind of bigly. They're huge. Okay, my bonus picks are always the most important. This one is actually the safest investment to make and very much exciting to reveal. Ready? Well, the bonus is the Vanguard REIT Fund. See, the Vanguard REIT fund comes in two varieties, a mutual fund and an exchange traded fund, ETF. Both have the expense ratio of 0.12%. The mutual fund version is the Vanguard Real Estate Index Fund Admiral Shares, ticker symbol VGSLX. Yes, this one has a $3,000 minimum investment. So let's take a quick look at VGSLX. As mentioned, you will need a $3,000 minimum for this right here on Vanguard. And let's just take a quick look and see right here. If you were to invest $10,000 in 2010, speeding to 2020, you would have gained. This is how the stock market had performed since then, right? This is an index fund, so it's one of the safest you can invest in. And as we can see, a whole 10-year run, putting in $10,000, this is the run right here. So you would have made what, as of today, you would have gained over $15,000 on your money. That's putting in $10,000. Now, the Vanguard Real Estate ETF, ticker symbol VNQ, has no minimum investment. The VNQ, however, has a lower 5-year return than VGSLX, 0.95% versus 2.89%. Well, folks, I appreciate you for your time. Please smash the like and the love and the thumbs up button and the notification bell as in a way to support, as an encouragement for me to create more videos to inspire others. It also helps the algorithm populate the message faster to those who need to see this right now. In fact, go ahead and send these to 2 or 3 friends that you love. I look forward to having more great times with you through various exciting videos. I have many resourceful links below for you to explore in support of our channel, and also resources that can truly enrich your life's journey. That's about it for now. Remember, knowledge is power, but the application of knowledge is powerful. You have greatness within you. Tap into it. Thanks for watching. I'm Rescue, and this is your life guide. Oh,